Parabens. So what are parabens and how do they affect you and me in the constant process of homeostasis? First off, parabens are man-made chemical compounds created with more than one molecular formula, including, but not limited to, methylparaben, ethylparaben, propylparaben, butylparaben, isopropylparaben, and isobutylparaben. There are also multiple structural differences between the types of parabens. Here you have methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, isopropyl, and isobutyl. The chemicals all share relatively similar physical properties. The melting point ranges from 95 to 99 degrees Celsius. The boiling point is approximately 133 degrees Celsius, and the water solubility is less than 0.1 grams per 100 milliliters at 12 degrees Celsius. In their raw forms, safety precautions are recommended with regards to handling the chemicals. They are very hazardous if inhaled and can also be quite damaging if ingested or if contact is made with the eyes. You're probably wondering how these chemicals are used in society today. And the answer to that question is parabens are preservatives. What does this mean? This means they are used to prevent the growth of fungus, bacteria, and mold. In a vast array of products. These products range from pastries to hair and shaving gel. The long list also includes, but is not limited to, shampoo, sunscreen, deodorant, ice cream, and condiments. Parabens are both cost-effective and effective preservatives, so companies use them in thousands of products. Parabens more than doubled the shelf life of the products that they are used in, allowing for a larger sale window. This is a graph of bacteria in relation to methylparaben. As the methylparaben levels increase, the percent of variable bacteria decreases dramatically, until it is virtually non-existent. Up to this point, parabens sound pretty great, don't they? However, there are some definite drawbacks to parabens. Parabens pose as a potential health danger because they are endocrine disruptors. They interfere with the proper functioning of the endocrine system, which controls the production and release of hormones. Parabens are usually able to mimic estrogen, which raises another concern. Scientists believe that this may increase the risk of breast cancer. An experiment involving laboratory mice also showed that parabens affect testosterone levels and lower sperm count. Humans come into contact with parabens when we eat certain foods or when paraben-containing products are applied to the skin. Parabens are quickly processed and excreted in the digestive system. However, they may stay in the body longer when they are absorbed through our skin. Studies found that parabens only bind to estrogen when applied to the skin, not when ingested. Another study looked at 20 breast cancer tumors and found a single type of paraben in almost every case. This was a clear indicator that parabens can linger in our body. The idea is that parabens in products used on the armpit build up in the breast tissue, which could explain why most breast cancer tumors occur closest to the armpit. Breast cancer is the leading cause of cancer death in women worldwide. Awareness of the risk factors and early detection can play a large role in protecting future women from dying. Some companies are becoming aware of the concerns regarding health effects of parabens. Because of this, paraben-free products have become more accessible. The key to reducing exposure to parabens is looking at ingredients lists of body care products, which are usually found on the back of bottles or packaging boxes.